Hi.
Hi,
Hi. This is Bright, Taiwan, and this is
Big
a
from
Big,
Thailand.
Miss Big, and we know each other on the Facebook.
Yes,
How long?
I think years ago, year or 2 years ago, right?
Almost 2 years.
Yes.
Oh really? Oh, so this is our very first time really meeting in person.
Yeah, that's
Yeah. How does
surprise.
it feel?
Really feel good. Nice to meet you.
Nah, look like we are know each other a long time, and then we know each other a lot, right?
Yeah.
So Facebook is good or bad?
Yes, very good. Because now I think the Facebook make the world smaller.
Make the world smaller,
Yeah,
closer.
closer.
Some people say people will more like a stranger. Even we sit in the table and they will text each other. Yeah. So you
I-
think this is a good thing for the
yes,
Facebook, right?
yeah, that's the new world.
Yeah. Miss Big is in Bangkok, Thailand, and I'm in Switzerland. Oh, no, no, actually, I'm from Taiwan
No, I'm from France.
for fun.
From
So,
France.
so if you are on the Facebook, keep post everything on your Facebook. People know you well,
Yes.
and this is the key to make your brand big, and more people know you. Real relationship is people know you, now you know other people. So it's a who knows you. These are your relationship. Yeah. So okay, we're gonna get time to say goodbye because we're gonna go to play our Facebook.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.